The worst air quality in your house isn't the kitchen. It isn't the bathroom. It's your basement, and most homeowners have no idea. In Tampa Bay's humidity, basements trap moisture, grow mold, and push contaminated air straight into your HVAC system and into every room of your home. Here are the warning signs your basement air quality is already a problem. A musty or damp smell that never goes away. Visible mold or mildew on walls, floors, or stored items. Allergy symptoms that get worse when you go downstairs. Condensation on pipes, walls, or windows. Dust that comes back faster than you can clean it. And stale, heavy air that feels thick to breathe. Here's what actually fixes it. A dehumidifier first, to control moisture and stop mold at the source. A true HEPA air purifier second, capturing 99.97% of mold spores, dust mite waste, pollen, and pet dander. And activated carbon filtration, to absorb the musty odors HEPA filters alone can't touch. Don't just mask the problem, fix the air. The Service Pros helps Tampa Bay homeowners solve basement air quality from the ground up. Visit theservicepros.com for a free estimate.